Hello.
这个
Hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And welcome to our live broadcast room. I'm Frank, and joining me is my partner, Rina.
Hi everyone, this is Rina from Brisk Spring. Welcome you today. Yes, and we are thrilled to be here, eager to share something with you about our products like the water descaler, the water filter, and the water leak detector. Yes, all of these products are related to water.
Yes, and before we dive into the main topic, let's take a moment to grasp the current state of the water resources worldwide.
The stark reality is that the global water resources are under immense strain. It is estimated that by 2030, residential water use will surge by 30%, while the industrial water use will increase by over 50%.
Yes, a combination of population growth, economic development, and climate change has precipitated a severe crisis in global water resources. Some countries and regions are already grappling with the water shortages or even scarcity.
And alongside the resource limitations, the water quality issues are pressing concerns like the pollution, the unmanagement of the water, and the overuse has severely compromised the water quality in numerous areas.
Yes, and the lack of clean drinking water in developing countries, particularly in many nations in Africa, remains a pressing issue that has severe consequences for public health. Tragically, millions of people lose their lives every year due to diseases caused by the consumption of contaminated water. This highlights the urgent need for effective interventions and investments in water treatment and sanitation infrastructure in these regions.
Yes. Moreover, it is important to recognize that the water quality concerns are not limited to developing countries, but also to those developed countries such as France, the UK, the US. Yes.
And water, indeed, water pollution is a global issue. The accumulation of industrial wastewater and household water has led to the degradation of water sources in certain regions. Changes have had a profound impact on the global ecosystem, resulting in immeasurable economic, social, and environmental costs. Consequently, people are increasingly concerned about the safety of their drinking water. Governments worldwide have started taking measures to address this kind of situation.
Absolutely. I agree with what Frank said just now. So government, international organizations, and communities must collaborate to enforce the regulations which protect the water sources and to promote the responsible waste management practices.
Yeah, for instance, countries and regions are adopting more scientific and sustainable methods to develop and utilize water resources. They are extending the lifespan of the groundwater, reducing water consumption, prioritizing environmental monitoring, and enhancing governance capabilities.
Yes. Oh, as we all know that water is the source of life, yet the tap water or the well water we use daily often contains many impurities and microorganisms that can impact our health. Therefore, ensuring our drinking water quality is crucial for maintaining the good health to everybody. And to safeguard our health, it is important to implement proper water treatment methods. And one of the common water treatment methods is to use the water filtration systems. These systems are designed to remove the impurities and improve the water quality. Yes, like the taste, odor. Yes.
And in addition to drinking water, it is also essential to consider the quality of water used for various household purposes. So water treated with filtration systems can also be beneficial for activities like cooking, washing fruits and vegetables, and even bathing. By reducing the presence of harmful substances, we can minimize the potential risks associated with the using contaminated water in our daily lives. Moreover, when it comes to the well-being of our children and the whole families, ensuring water quality becomes even more critical. Children are often more vulnerable to the effects of the contaminants due to their developing immune systems. By implementing proper water treatment measures, we can provide our families with the healthy and safe reducing the risk of waterborne diseases and other health issues. In response to these challenges, environmentally and friendly water purification equipment has been developed to address these concerns. And this environmentally friendly water purification equipment, such as pre-filters and scale inhibitors, have been developed to specifically to address these kind of challenges of ensuring the quality, the water quality for the well-being of our children and our families. This water purification equipment not only contribute to ensuring the water quality, but also promote sustainability. They can help reduce the need for excessive chemical treatments or descaling agents, which can have a negative environmental impacts. By implementing these measures, we can create a safe and healthy water environment for our families while reducing our ecological footprint and like pre-filters and scale inhibitors.
Yes, after hearing what Frank said just now, he just talked about the importance of why we should choose such kind of health eco-friendly water purification system, or to say the water filtration systems. And I think that is very essential to us, because nowadays there are more and more plastic waste if we choose to use the bottled water instead of the water purification system like the water filter. So next, let's turn our attention to the water filters. First, the importance is the installation of such kind of item, and let me tell you why the installation of the water filter is so important. Yes, Frank, can you give me this sample? Thank you. Yes, as Frank holds in his hand, the pre-filters are designed to capture, the large particles, sediments, and impurities from water before it reaches to the main water pipeline. And by trapping these contaminants early on, the water pre-filters can extend the main lifespan and enhance its efficiency in removing the smaller particles and harmful substances.
Yes, and pre-filters undoubtedly play a crucial role in the home and the business sectors, whether at home or in the workplace, significantly influences our lives and work.
That's right. Water sources often contain the cement, rust, chlorine, and and bacterial. If these pollutants are not effectively filtered, they will enter our or your tap water system directly and posing the potential hazards to the health and also to the equipment.
Yes, that's why installing a pre-filter is so crucial. Pre-filters can effectively remove impurities and pollutants from water, providing a pure and cleaner water source. This not only shields our home and workplaces from pollutants, but also extends the service life of equipment such as faucets, washing machines, and water heaters, and any other home cleaning machines.
So, due to this advantage, the pre-filters have become the increasingly popular choices in homes and commercial settings, whether used in your household water systems or in the hotels, restaurants, or office. This item can play such an important role there.
Yeah, pre-filters and scale inhibitors may be unfamiliar concepts to many. You may wonder about their working principles. So next is the brief introduction to the working principle of the pre-filter.
So, Frank, could you please introduce this working principle to our
Yes,
audience?
of course, Rina. What I'm holding now is a pre-filter produced by our factory, and the untreated water flows into the from the left inlet pipe, and the impurities and suspended solids are intercepted by the filter screen. Cleaning water then flows out from the right outlet pipe, and the pore size of the filter mesh determines the size of the particles it can intercept, such as sand, soil, rust, and insect eggs. These particles can negatively impact your and your family's health, especially in large amounts. Using our water filter can effectively prevent such situations. Indeed, in addition to providing a cleaner water source, the pre-filter can also save you a lot of expenses by effectively removing impurities and pollutants from water. The pre-filter can reduce the accumulation of a scale and sediments on pipelines and equipment, thereby reducing the cost of pipeline and the equipment maintenance.
Yes, so we can know that if you choose our Brisk Springs water pre-filter, it is cost effective compared to the bottled water. If you used to drinking the bottled water, then I think you must know that it is a large expense for your monthly water usage. And moreover, the pre-filter can also enhance your quality of life. The pure water not only improves the taste and the odor of the drinking water, but also make your bathing experience more comfortable and healthy. You'll find that after using our pre-filter, your skin will become softer and your hair smoother.
Yes, in conclusion, by installing a pre-filter, you will have a cleaner and healthier water source, and extend equipment life, and save maintenance costs, and improve the quality of your life. And this machine head is the ideal choice with these advantages. It adopts a copper-free brass forging forming to assure the health and the safety of the product. At the same time, it also adopts the fourth generation integrated sewage patented technology, which combines siphon backwashing, double-side scraping technology, and surround rapid suction technology, providing efficient filtration and cleaning effects.
Yes, and just as you can see on the printed the package, yes, we have showed it here with the siphon backwashing technology. Yes. So this filter has also adopted a tool-free disassembly technology. The scraping technology can thoroughly clean the dirt on the surface of the filter screen and the bottle, while the siphon backwashing technology can thoroughly clean the embedded impurities in the mesh holes. So both these two technologies are very crucial for cleaning the impurities in and on and embedded on the water filter's mesh.
Yes, these characteristics and advantages makes this pre-filter an excellent product. Not only can it prove a healthy and safe filtering effect, but it also can has a efficient cleaning ability and excellent durability. By installing this pre-filter, you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and healthier water experience.
That's right. Installation of our pre-filter is not only a choice to protect your health, but also an investment in the quality of your life. Yes, and not only for us. I think if you guys have purchased or has ordered the samples, you can also promote this point to your customers in your area and in your community. So if you are interested in our Brisk Springs water pre-filter, just leave the message to us or just comment it. And my colleagues Joe and John will contact you as soon as possible.
Yes, actually there are a lot of problems on Amazon. A common question about the pre-filter is the pre-filter was not used long before the filter screen was blocked by the impurities. This issue has caused users to leave a lot of negative reviews on Amazon in anger. But our product uses a 40 micron stainless steel filter screen, which can effectively filter large particles such as sediments, debris, rust, dirt, and the sand, ensuring the purification of raw water before entering the downstream pipeline system.
Like this T4 model, it features a rotating flushing design that allows for quick and easy flushing without the need for disassembly. And it is equipped with a quick connector. Oh no, here they are not quick connectors, but if you want, we will customize such quick connector to you. And the easy and water-free backwaters that yes. As Frank just said, that blogging is the biggest problem that we found on Amazon US.
At the same time, its main body is made of the food-grade heavy-duty plastic, which has passed 900 psi explosion testing and water impact testing, thus proving to be sturdy enough to withstand high water inlet pressure. The valve head and the joint are made of lead-free brass material to ensure durability, and there will be no cracking or leakage issues anymore.
Yes, and so as users, the only thing you need to concern about is to clean and replace the filter. The thing you need to concern about is to clean and replace the filter, the cartridge. Yes, so cause the prolonged usage without maintenance may lead to the clogging and the biological contamination of the filter. Yes, although it is made of 316L stainless steel, but sometimes it will be damaged by such kind of items, impurities. So therefore, it is recommended that if you or your customers purchase it, that regularly please clean the water pre-filter according to the manual. Yes, to ensure the lifespan of this item.
Absolutely. To maintain long-term effective use, we recommended that cleaning the filter at least once a month. Before cleaning, it's essential to ensure there is a reliable drainage system in place to handle the wastewater generated during the process.
Yes. And during the installation, it is also necessary to check whether the water flow direction marked on the valve body, yes, here, aligns with the flow direction of the water pipe. This ensures the proper usage and long-term operation of our product. So, in a word, we hope that if you order the sample or if you order the the big order. So we hope that you can enjoy the quality and the reliability of our filters.
So, okay, that's our pre-filter introduction. Interested friends or those who want to learn more about our product can leave a message in the comment section. Our partners will contact you as soon as possible. So next, we will introduce the scale inhibitor. That's,
Okay.
Here we are.
Thank you. So let's move on to our next product, the water descaler, or to say the scale inhibitor. It is a vital component of our whole house water purification systems. When used in conjunction with the pre-filter we introduced to you before, the effect can be improved. Yes.
And the scaling has been a persistent issue across many industries, presenting a significant challenge. This is particularly true for factories that require large amounts of water. Scaling and corrosion not only increase energy consumption, but also led to operational issues such as corrosion and environmental pollution. The direct losses caused by the scaling in the water industry are substantial.
For instance, in the petroleum industry, the scaling in wellboats and the surface process pipelines during oil field production is a challenging that may affect the on-site management. So the severe scaling can significantly impact the underground processes, even lead to the shutdown of injection and the production of the oil operation. And that is in the petroleum part. What about in commercial part? So in commerce and industry, the scaling is also hard not to correct that will affect those one who own the factories. So as we all know that the natural water contains various elements such as calcium and magnesium, barium, so many kind of substances which may form the water line scale. So that the scale will deteriorate the heat transfer efficiency of the heating surfaces and increasing energy consumption, and even more the more worse is that in severe cases they will cause the complete blockage or the explosion.
Yes, that sounds horrible, but it is absolutely true. So, but don't you worry. Fortunately, a relatively new product technology called multi-alloy technology has emerged. This scale inhibitor I have here is a product that utilizes this kind of technology. The concept of the multi-alloy technology involves selecting various metal elements with different electron activities and creating numerous insoluble micro battery systems within the microstructure of the anti-scale alloy. This is achieved through unique alloy composition design and precise smelting preparation control.
When in contact with fluids, the electronic interaction takes place, enabling the regulation of the fluid's physical characteristics. This interaction also affects the nucleation and the growth process of scaling crystals, as well as alters the adhesion and dispersion properties of scale. And furthermore, upon contact with water, these anti-scaling alloy chips inside it will change in surface tension and other physical parameters, leading to the dissolution of existing scale.
Yes, and the scale inhibitor we have here is cylindrical in shape, just like this. Apart from this model, we also offer other models that differ slightly in structure and appearance. These variations are designed to cater to specific applications, and we have categorized the water distillers into four main models, each designed for the petroleum industrial use, commercial settings, and household scenarios. These models have different ratios of electronegativity metal elements tailored to their respective purposes.
Yes. And what's more, our design department did a fantastic job. That is to name how they name our water descalers for each scenarios. And these names are inspired by four famous words from in ancient China, known as their incredible power, so that you can imagine that how powerful our water descalers are as their names.
Yes, my friends in the live streaming room, if you are also a manufacturer, you can also consider naming your products based on the historical legends of your own country and share those stories with your customers. And this approach will give your customer a sense of mystery and magic when it comes to your products. And it will also add a cultural atmosphere to your products and your company.
Yes, I agree with Frank's idea. Yes, that is a good way. Storytelling is a good way to promote your product, even it is not our water descaler. So let's summarize that today here up to now, Frank and I have introduced the water pre-filter and the water descaler to us. The water pre-filter is installed on the main pipeline before the water reaches into your tap water. Yes, and this water descaler is designed to prevent your machines from the water line scale. Yes. So, guys, if you want to know more about our products, you can just subscribe us. Yes. And then you can know more about such kind of water purification systems and how we choose to treat the water, the natural water. Yes.
Yes, let's. So our time is up. Next, our another partner of our group, Reed, will do some introductions about the smart water leakage detector. So please welcome.
Yes. As we all know that the water leak is a big problem. So let's welcome you.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to our channel. This is Reid from Beige Group. Now we are in Hangzhou, an amazing city in Southeast China, to conduct this live broadcast. Hope you guys will enjoy it. All right, I'm going to show you guys our super water leakage protector. Well, water damage can result from a host of problems, many of which are difficult to predict. For example, pipe cracks, seepage, and leakage are three normal leakage phenomena of water leakage. Due to the installation of pipes and water equipment, the leakage can happen at any time and cause damage to families. Did you guys have water leakage problems? If you guys have this issue, please contact me. I will give you guys solutions. Water leakage causes expensive damage. Fortunately, we can avoid this calamity. This is why we need a water leakage protector. So, what is water leakage protector? Have you heard of water leakage protector before? All right, let me show you it. Well, water leakage is difficult. Oh, sorry, please wait for a second. Well, water leakage is difficult to measure micro leakage due to the low measurement accuracy. So, what is water leakage protector? Well, water leakage protector monitors the flow of water pipeline. When abnormal behaviors are detected, the system cuts off the water flow to the entirety of the household by closing a valve with the leak detector. Therefore, no matter what kind of water leakage happened, water flow can be shut off from every water using fixture and appliance, protecting the whole of your home from discharges and expensive damage. So in future, water leakage protector will be one of three protectors in family together with the gas leakage protector and the electric protector. All right, guys, in the next few minutes, I will briefly show our amazing super water leakage protector. Are you curious? Well, there are also traditional water leakage protectors on the market. For the traditional technology of water leakage protector, which is distributed sensor per type, it is easy to cause false alarms, especially in wet environments. Besides, the monitoring range is limited. The distribution location is difficult to determine, and the internal leak cannot be detected. The traditional water leakage protector is difficult to measure micro leakage due to the low measurement accuracy. Okay, guys, so the market is in urgent need of a water leakage protector with high measurement accuracy, large range, scientific water leakage judgment mechanism, easy to set and not easy to misreport. So, guys, please look at this. This is fourth generation AI adaptive ostronic water leakage protector, which is from Beige technology. Do you guys understand this? Well, compared with the traditional protector, we have mainly 6 core advantages. Okay, right now, I'm going to show you guys our first core advantage, which is easy setup use mode. It has 3 modes. Each mode has a complete set of built-in button procedures, including explosion, drip, and leakage. Well, consumers can simply set the disarming mode can be set under special water use conditions, and the original mode can be restored after normal water is restored. Next, I'm going to show you guys our second core advantage, which is the professional mode setting. Well, according to special application scenarios, such as large water storage equipment or the needs of special commercial water use scenarios, the water consumption and the water duration can be flexible, set to meet various scenarios. And well, look at this big screen. It is clear at a glance, and this is our third core advantage. Our fourth core advantage is multiple water quality monitoring functions. Multiple data monitoring functions such as water temperature, water pressure, water velocity, and cumulative flow, so you can know the situation well. By contrast, the traditional water leakage protector does not have those functions. Well, if you are on business meeting or traveling, there was a sudden water leak, you may feel helpless, but don't worry. Fifth core advantage is to use mobile app remote monitoring, so you can master the water use at home, anytime and anywhere. If there is abnormal water use, you can close the gate at any time with app remote operation. So our last core advantage is a dual power supply, which can ensure the equipment keeps working and protect the safety of domestic water even in case of sudden power failure. Okay, guys, so this super protector uses ultrasonic technology. You know, it can accurately detect the flow rate and accurately judge whether there is a water leakage signal according to the constant flow rate. Hello. So this water leakage protector has a high measurement accuracy from 2 liters per minute up to 4 tons per hour. Besides, it has a magic function. It uses AI technology to capture all types of water leakage. This is integrated water pre-filter with automatic control. One machine, multiple function. Moreover, this protector is more safe compared to the traditional water leakage protector because it has lead isolation, so it is more health. All right, those are the things I have shared with you guys today. I hope it is helpful to you. If you are interested or have any demand, please click on one link which is on the top of our screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Okay, guys, my time is up. So next, please welcome our colleague Joe. He will show you guys our water leakage protectors.
Thank you, Luke. Thank you for your introduction for our water leakage detector. And right now, let me introduce you more details of our product so we can just know more better about product. So our product, as you can see, that it is a device that covered by the plastic materials, and we also have put this to a long hole brass pipe that inside our product that we can just let the water just go through our product to make sure that we can just detect all the water flow condition that is inside of our device. Okay, and right over here, as you can see, that this product in the front of it, it has the very big large screen of it. And one more again, and on the back of our product, it has a outer charge cable line for our product. It can just empower our product by using the outer adapter. Let me show you. So this is our outer cable chargers for it. And this outer cable chargers, it is going to empower our product. For example, empower the product. And in case that our product facing the water-like condition through the cable line, we have just used the plastic cup as the waterproof function. To protect our product. And in the meanwhile, we are using the dual power supply system. We're not only be powered by this, but also we have put the rechargeable battery inside of our product to make sure that it can just keep working. Even when it comes to the power stop condition, it can still be working all the time. Okay, and move on. Let's focus on our big large screen and the 4 different buttons for it. So through these 4 different buttons, we can check the data we want to know. We can close and open the valve if we want, and we also can just change the settings, change the time that it will show in our product. We also can change the protect or unprotect method, by the different buttons. So now let me show you one by one about our product. Okay, the first one for our protect and unprotect buttons. And let me tell you that for each of these 4 different buttons, they are all need us to hold the buttons for 3 to 5 seconds, and then it is going to be work to change the settings for it. Okay, and one more time, let me show you how we can control the protect and unprotect method for it. So if we hold the protect method for 3 to 5 seconds, when it works, it is going to have a B sound. Let's listen it again. Okay, so now when it comes to the B sound, it means we change it. Okay, right now for this product, we all know that the protect and unprotect method, it is going to decide we want to use our product or we don't want to use our product. So for example, you might think, oh, the reason I buy this product is because I wanted to let the product to protect our house. But how come if I don't want to use the product? Okay, so for example, for sometimes that if we think it is time that we just start this product because we're going to go out for holiday, like the summer is coming, so the summer holiday is going right now, so we're gonna just have our summer holiday, and we're also going to have a vacation like a month. So we're gonna just close our water valve, the main pipe of our water valve, or we can use our product to close the valve by it. Okay, don't worry. And so under this condition, so we think that it is good for our product to not detect the condition, because we don't use to waste. We don't want to waste its. We don't want to waste its power, right? So we can just keep it as the unprotected mode. But when we come back to our house, we just open the valve and let the water just go through the breast pipe. Right now, we can just going to open this protective mode and to let this product to detect it again, right? So this is a very, very thinkable, considerable point for our product. Okay, so the next one for our product is we are going to use this valve control button to control our valve. We have put a electronic valve inside of our product to make sure that we can control the valve by us. Open the valve, close the valve by just use one finger holding the button for 3 to 5 seconds, and then we're done. Okay, let me show you how it does. Okay, so now we see this valve control button. We hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, when you have the B sound, it is closing right now. Okay, let's see it together. Okay, as you can see that this valve is closing right now, right? Let me open it for you. So find the button, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then when it has the B sound, it is open it slowly, and the water flow will just go through our main pipe and let our product detect the water flow, water pressure, and the other data of our water, right? Okay, and the other function, it is our query function. So query function, it is using to check all the data we want to check. For example, this, it is the time, the right now time for it, and this, it is our water use whole day water use data, and this is the water temperature, the environmental temperature, and this is the water flow, the pressure, and this is the arrow for it. This arrow is E1 code. So what is the E1 means? E1 means that the pipe didn't connect with the main, install it in the main pipe, and also the product didn't sense the water, so it will just have the E1 code. It means that maybe the water stopped, maybe we didn't connect the main pipe. Okay, right? So it can just help us very clear to know that what condition that we are facing right now. Okay, so now let's move on. So now for another one, so we have setting button. This setting button, it is going to, if we don't want to change, we can just click the setting button again, and it will move to the next one. The setting button again, and it will move to the next one. And this is our empty pipe. Okay, so now back. Okay, so now right now, let's move on. Okay, so now I'm gonna just show you the setting for the next time. Okay, you can just follow us. Okay, so now let's back to the functions of our product, because this is what we call the water meter or water leakage detector or water leakage sensor. All these names are focused on to detect the water leakage condition of it. So how can we come to solve all these conditions of it? Because we have put the two core advantages of it. The first one is we have put the AI chip inside it. This AI chip is have been trained by the big data that we have already know most of our houses water using habits, and it will just keep learning. So once the product installed on our main pipe, and it will keep detecting the water flow, and it will just keep learning, and after a month, so the AI chip combined with the product, it will know very, very detailed and familiar with our own water using habits to help us can product to detect our house, the water leakage condition, to ensure when it comes to the water leakage condition, it can just detect it right away, and to ensure that it won't have a very high chance, it won't have maybe more than 5% mistake rate. So don't worry, it won't happen. And the next core advantages of our product is we have put the ultrasonic sensor, two ultrasonic sensors inside of our product. So 2 ultrasonic sensor is going to put over here. So this 2 ultrasonic sensor is going to sense the water flow, to test the water pressure, the environmental temperature, and to make sure that it can just detect it. A very sensitive and accuracy ultrasonic sensor to let it have a very control of our product. Okay, and for it, our product, when it just keep flowing it, the ultrasonic sensor is going to keep detecting it, so to catch the water pressure, the water flow every second, every minute, and it's going to show on our product on this big large screen. And also, if you want to have a mobile control, we can just use it to download the app on our phone. We have launched an app to connect with our product. It has already launched in the iOS and Android app store, so we can just search it and download it, connect. It has already launched in the iOS and Android app store, so we can just search it and download it, connect with our product, and then we can just know the data. We can know the mode we are on our phone without just going to this product and checked. And in the meanwhile, we can just also to close the valve, open the valve by our phone. We can just click the button on our phone, and then it can just show you. It can just close the valve very slowly. And if it comes to the alarming, so our text or our email is going to send you a notification, and we're going to know that the product is sending us the alarm, and to let you be careful for it. Okay, so this is our water leakage detector or sensor, and we hope that you can like it and send us the inquiry for it. Okay, so later we're going to invite our Strong John come to introduce the water descaler or water softener or water inhibitor, scale inhibitor for us, for the house type and for the commercial or industrial type. So let's welcome John and to give us the end.
Welcome, John.
Hello, guys. Good afternoon, or good evening, or good morning, wherever you are around the world right now. Welcome to our live stream room. And my colleague Joe has already introduced you one of our hot-selling product. It's called water leakage detector. And I'm gonna bring you the water descaler, or you may prefer the water softener. And this one is for your home use, for residential use, and the flow rate is 4 times per hour. So this one is compared to this large industrial one, it is much smaller, and the main difference between these two is the size and the flow rate. So this one 4 times per hour, that is quite enough for your daily use, for your home. And the working principle of this product is the special anti-scale alloy system. It's you can tell from the name, it is a special alloy, and it is our patent. And this alloy is the reason that remove the water scale and to prevent the potential water scale to be formed. So I turn it on this product, so you can see this is the special alloy chips. So you put 10 chips inside of it. When water goes through this product, it will contain the special alloy chips, and these chips will release a free electron, and this free electron will insert between the calcium ion and the calcium magnesium ion and the acid ion, so it will prevent they be crystallized. These three particles to combine. So that's how it works, and it's a pure physical method. The biggest difference between this one and the previous generation of water softener is it's maintenance free. So that means you don't need to spend time and money to add salt, or you buy the scale inhibitor to put it in your water softener at a certain time. So once this installed, you don't need to worry about the water scale problem. And this large filler is for industrial use or for commercial use. So inside of this product is also this special alloy, but which is much bigger and thicker because it needs to deal with much more serious water scale problems. And another important information is you need to know that if you use our uh, uh, water softener or water descaler, it can last for 10 years. So once this installed, you don't need to worry about the water scale problems. And here is the brand name and some main features of this product, like size or pressure or temperature kind of things. And this is the fitting type. And we also have flange type for industrial one, because for the industrial equipment, there's a flange type is a very regular way to connect. And like I said, the biggest difference is the thickness and the quantity of the special alloy chips. This industrial one is much thicker because it need to deal with more serious water scale problem. And this residential one is smaller. It's very thin, but it's quite enough for daily use. And we also can customize the product information on the surface of this stainless steel shell. So it contains your brand name, or we can put your logo on it, or the other main features about this product. So you can give a more direct information to your customer, because we have huge experience with the OEM and ODM services. You can sell our product in your regions, and we can customize the package, customize the product for you. And so if you have any problems with the water scale or be a headache about the water scale in your production line, in your factory, you can contact us for more information, because this one's efficiency is high, much higher than the regular product in this market right now. And we can share with you successful cases of how that from our customers, because as long as you need to deal with the water heating process in your factory or in your production line, there will be water scales. It's inevitable, because when the temperature is raised, the water scale will be formed. The calcium and the magnesium ion and the acid ion will be crystallized. So, and of course, this one is this is a completely blank on the surface right now, but also we can customize the information, the product information on the surface, and you can easily open it, this product, and so you can see what's the situation after you use it for a couple of months or a couple of years. So you want to see how it works. And so the 10 years, we have the test report and we have test method. So we can share with you if you like to know. And the connection installation method is different from the industrial one. The industrial one is fitting type and the flange type, and this one we have two kind of installation method. One is for hot melting for PPR pipe, and another is connect by brass fittings. And the regular size is half inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. So if you have any problems with you want to know how to install this product, or in different countries, because the installation circumstances or situation can be very complicated. So if you like to know more about this product, how to install it in your house or in your production line, please feel free to contact us. And that's it. That's my part for the presentation of this water descaler. Please, you can subscribe and leave a comment. We're live streaming, so my colleague will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you, and hope to see you next time.